Welcome back to 7th Science. Today I'll be showing you how to complete the Monday assignment changes. So this is all about physical or chemical changes. This first video that you're clicking on here, great job. You've started watching the first video. That's instructions number 1. The second thing is to watch the video underneath this. This is still processing, so by the time you view it, it'll look like an icon of a video. This video is going to be talking about physical and chemical changes. And there's also a guided teacher's notes section and transcript of the video at the bottom of this post if you prefer to read the content or translate it to another language. So after you've watched the first and second video, I want you to make a science journal prompt entitled Chemistry Changes. You can do that in a physical notebook or use the embedded link in the image below to make a digital copy. I see some people print off their digital copy too. That's another option for you as well. Complete the prompts listed in the instructions or that are in the embedded copy if you make a digital copy of the prompt, and then submit your work here. You can do that by taking a screenshot or uploading a link to your work, whatever works best for you. And email me if you need any help. So essentially the journal prompt is this. What is a chemical change? Write the definition for what a chemical change is, which is given in the video and in the transcript, and what a physical and chemical change, what those definitions are. And then go through a few of these examples here and practice writing P for physical change or C for chemical change next to each example in the table below. So this table, you can either write this in your physical notebook, print it off, or make a digital copy. If you'll see in the image here, the digital copy has it added as well. So if you were going to make your own edited link here, again, this is the original, so these changes won't be permanent, but essentially you could click on here and add a text box and type in P or C, or you could do something as well by doing select, draw a line, scribble, and then look at this. So an ice cube is placed in the sun. Later there is a puddle of water. Let me do my scribble tool again here. So ice cube in the sun, it melts. Is that a physical change or a chemical change? In the example here, ice melts is P for physical because it's still water. It hasn't created a new substance. So I would write P for a chemical change. And again, if that doesn't work, the other way to do this is to click insert text box, make just a long one like this, and then type it in as you go here. So my first word, my first letter, I'm going to make it a little larger, say 40, 36. So P, it's a chemical change or a physical change. Okay. Two chemicals are mixed together and a gas is produced. I think the font size for this is like 45. So let's do that. Okay. So two chemicals are mixed together and a gas is produced. If you're not sure, look at the list. If a gas is produced, then that is one of the signs of a physical or a chemical change generally is a new substance being created. So you could do C for chemical change and then go down the list as you go, as you need to. Okay. So again, this will be blank. I'll leave the text box for you guys in the edited copy. If you'd like to just click it, it will show up now for you to click and type in P or C. And then also you're going to put the definition for endothermic and exothermic, which are two different types of energy transfers dealing with thermal energy. And then that's essentially the whole assignment here. And again, the lesson transcript with the visuals and images are at the bottom of the assignment. So have fun with this and let me know if you need any help. I'll be happy to see you and talk to you about anything you need help with. I will see you on Zoom.